All right, we're back. Day 76. And today we're going to talk about AI, how it's a game changer for anything that you're doing and why you need to be utilizing it. First, this is day 76, so this is the 76th video in 76 days. I'm on a mission to upload 100 videos in 100 days. Um, it's been a long, long journey. 24 days left. It's crazy. I cannot wait to just be done, honestly. Um, I've really I feel like day 20 something, I probably ran out of things to say. Uh, my family tells me I ramble too much. Um, but we're here, and the goal is just to get to 100 videos in 100 days. It was never to grow a following or get a bunch of subscribers or a bunch of views, right? It was just to do something hard for 100 days. And this is super hard to sit down, turn on a camera, and just talk to it and upload it, and whatever happens is going to happen, right? I have one video, I think it was day 56. It's like my best video. It was over 130 views, and it was almost midnight. I was already asleep. I was half asleep, but I had to record and upload a video to keep the streak alive, and I did. And for whatever reason, that video has been my best video, which is really weird. I think it's only like 20 seconds, 21 seconds. All right, so back onto it. So AI, so it's been a year or two now. Like AI started coming out like in the marketing scene. There was Chat GPT and just different things, and it was okay. Like, and you could do some things with it, and but then like a lot of people were trying to use it for like content and social media. Um, and it's like the content's very repetitive. Like it was like there was always these handful of words that it would use, and you could tell that like it was AI content. Um, I have a website that I've had for I don't even know how old it is now, a handful of years, like 3, 5, or more years old. I have a site, and at one time the site was growing pretty well. I don't know, a few $100s, $500, maybe $1,000 a month, something like that. I don't know, but I was trying to grow it very aggressively and very passively. I was working a lot, and it got hit by a Google update, and then it just kind of sat there. And then AI came out, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna do this, like build this system, and I'm just gonna publish a bunch of articles. And I think over like 30 days, 60 days, I published like 3,000 or 5,000 articles. Um, the site had already been hit by Google, so it already had crashed in traffic. It kind of started to come back up a little, but then it just crashed again, right? So it was like, but it was like unedited, just mass publishing. That was sometime last year, early last year maybe. I ran that experiment. It didn't work out, right? I mean, I think the site still like makes anywhere from 20 to like $100 a month right now between ads and affiliate deals, which is cool because like I don't even do anything to the site. I'll take it, right? Um, but now the AI models are progressing so much faster. You have ChatGPT, you have Claude, uh, which I like Claude, but the content quality, like for writing, the content quality is much better. Um, but Claude cannot access the internet, so it can't get current data to build the content or to research, right? But now there's Perplexity. I think it's Perplexity.ai. Yeah, yeah. This is my favorite one. Um, there's free versions for all of these, and then there's paid versions which give you like faster responses, like more usage, more data, like in the day. Depends on like if you're a power user or not. Um, Perplexity is awesome. Like if you get the Pro, it's like $20 a month. You can use Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is the latest version of Claude, but Perplexity can search the web. So like it's just crazy. Like my ecom site, like I used Claude, and then I switched to Perplexity to build all of the uh, product descriptions, like for all of the supplements and stuff. Like I used it uh, for that, and like some of them are like starting to get traffic. Like they're pretty good, right? And it's a young site, so uh, today I added an article to the site, and it's very like top of funnel. Like it's not, it wouldn't be somebody looking for a supplement, but like if you're looking for this article, you're probably into supplements. Um, but so like I just did like yesterday, I think I did a bunch of keyword research, found thousands of keywords that aren't very competitive, that are like in the realm of like fitness and supplements. Um, so I put this article up today, and like it did a pretty good job. Like I think it serves the purpose like for what the user's searching. So we're gonna see how well it ranks in Google, and if I can get some traffic, and if I can scale this out with this. Um, and then the goal will be to try to publish like 2 or 3 a day, which would get me 60 to 100 or 60 to 90 articles a month, which would be a pretty good clip. And see if we can start getting some traffic, and then convert that into emails, and then supplement sales. That's the goal here, right? Um, but then I also ran it for a calculator. I asked it, hey, give me, calculators related to fitness, everything else. And it gave me like a list of like 20 different calculator ideas. And I'm like, okay, I picked one. I said, okay, hey, give me the code I need to build this. And then it gives me a couple different excerpts of code. And it's like, hey, get this file, do this, and then upload this to Shopify and put it here and put it here. Today I modified my Shopify theme. Um, just going back and forth with AI. Like I'm like, hey, this is what I'm trying to do. How do I do it? And it says, hey, you can do this, do this. I'm like, hey, okay, I don't see that option. These are the options I see. Which one do I pick? I'm like, okay, pick this one. Do this, do that. It's pretty amazing. The time you can save, right? And AI is super. I can't say super, but it's very popular. Like in the marketing circles, marketing sphere. Like they're really into AI. I don't think that like the common public is like really into AI. Like I know like my wife, like my mom, like they don't use AI at all, right? Um, but I think if you're doing anything online, like you need to look at AI and see how you can learn about it, and like what task you're doing, or even your job, um, like weekly hours. Like we when we go to tally up hours, I just say, hey, they worked 9 to 4, 8 to 3, 8 to 5, and I just give them the hours. I'm like, add up the total hours. Let me know what it is, and like it just says, okay, this day they work 7, 6, 5.5, 4. Um, and I just don't have to do the math of the halves, the quarters, or whatever it might be, and it just gives me the hours. Like it's super fast, and then I can get the total amount I owe somebody. Um, but there's just so many use cases, and like when you can connect the AI with the internet, like the possibilities are limitless. So if you haven't started using AI, check out Perplexity. Play with all of them: ChatGPT, Claude. Um, like Claude, like with you can build projects. Like you can go get data. Like I can get YouTube videos or articles or books or whatever it is, and upload that into a project like about a certain topic. Say it's like supplement research, and then I could go and just constantly ask questions. Or if it's like a book about like whatever it is, like you could like um I mean, like if you, I guess if you could find it online, like you could upload all of the Bible to it, and then you could just go and ask questions, and it would go through all of that, and it would answer your questions based off of the data you trained it on, right? So, like I've uploaded different information, like on YouTube scripts and like hooks and copywriting and different things, and like I can go and like get things done a lot better. So, I want to cut it off here, but like, so that's it, guys. If you're not using AI, tap into it. I try to do something different. Try to bring, I don't know, some kind of value, but I don't know. It's we only got 24 more of these left. So my plan is, man, just try to build out this supplement site, and start cold emailing for clients. I'm going to mass email a few thousand, and then test some other different things. We're gonna get that stuff set up and get rolling, and I'll update you on the progress. All right, we'll see you tomorrow for what is it, day 77.